Oh, hey guys, how's it going? It's been a while since we made a video, so I figured maybe today would be a good day to get reacquainted with everyone. We're currently in Magsaysay, Alaminos City, and we're taking a walk. What's going on behind me here? Oh, thanks, buddy. We are taking a walk up to Lucap Highway to go check out a new pizza place that just opened, well, opening today in Alaminos, but has been open for a while. I guess up in Bolinao. So they started out, I'm pretty sure this is how it goes. They started out in Bolinao, and I don't know, I heard they have a place in Bani, I'm not sure. This is all in Pangasinan, by the way. And now they have moved into Alaminos City location on Lucap Highway. So I don't know, good pizza places are very few and far between. Haven't really found a lot of them here. So I don't know, this might be a good one, but we'll find out. And that's what we're doing right now. Gonna go check it out and see see what they have to offer. It's a beautiful day today. It's pretty damn hot though, but it's still nice. Yeah, not a whole lot to, man, I gotta watch behind me. Not a whole lot going on. We've been kind of busy. We've got back into our exercise routine. I finally got sick and tired of seeing my tummy sticking out every time I walk past the mirror or put on a shirt that, you know, showed that kind of stuff. I looked at the wife, I said, man, we got to do something. This is crazy. So we tried some fasting, and that was kind of up and down. I'd lose, you know, I'm about 230 right now. I'm kind of holding steady at 230. She's got herself under 140. She's really proud of that, and I'm proud also. That's a big achievement. Yeah, from 160, I think, from way back when, and then 150 for a while. And then all of a sudden she jumps on the scale and she's, you know, dipping below 140. I'm like, oh my goodness. But she's really been working hard. Not only the exercise routine, but the you know, the eating, the choice of food that we have. I've kind of laid back on, laid off of soft drinks, so that's hopefully going to help. It's definitely helped for her. She quit drinking Coke probably 2-3 months ago now.
Yeah, no cold water.
No Coke, no cold water. So she's been pretty disciplined on that. Yeah, here we're having this conversation as we're going to pick up some pizza, right? Yeah. But hey, you know, we worked well. Here I'm gonna rationalize now. Okay, so stand by.
Now we're going to look.
Yeah. Stand by for extreme rationalization. Oh, okay, I've been working out, you know, we've been working out, we've been exercising, and we've been good boys and girls, so we deserve a little reward, right?
Yeah.
Is that how it goes in that church? Pretty cheat day, there you go. Cheat day. So here we are, we're coming up on Lucap Highway. Let me see if we can cross the road without getting nailed. You know what, I'll just let this camera roll. I was gonna kind of shut it off and just do, I was just gonna do little pieces and little chapters, I guess, but let's just let it roll. Okay, if any of y'all are familiar with the Alaminos area, you probably know where I'm at. Man, we haven't taken a walk, period, for a long time, let alone coming through here. Think about 6 days ago, last Saturday night, there was a pretty good accident right in through here.
Yeah, that is where Noel told me.
Yeah. I saw pictures on Facebook. I think it was like right up in here. Right up here. And I saw one, it involved, I know, 2 scooters, I believe. One of the guys was sitting upright in the pictures, and then the other guy was laid out, man. I don't know if he was a goner, if he was dead, or if he was alive. I have no idea. But, you know, these guys, they drive like maniacs through here. So I'm actually kind of surprised there's not more accidents. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it was right in this little area right here. This gas station never has opened, has it? Yeah. Boy, there's a lot of traffic today. I hope they're not all going to the pizza place. We'd be screwed. But yeah, well, yeah, that's another thing. Who knows? We might not even get any today if the place is making a big splash. Yeah, this is.
Yeah, I bring cook here, huh?
What, this little place here?
Yeah, should I go?
Yeah, sure. It looks nice. Yeah, it looks clean. I wonder what kind of food. Well, that's a silly question. Yeah. Sizzling sisig. Hey, it's all good, but there's not very much variety here in Alaminos, I've noticed. Watch out for don't get too close to the road. It's up here. It's gotta be, man, is it loud out here. Yeah, it's past the trike stand, right?
Yeah, that is what I know.
Yeah. Be careful. Okay, let me see. I think I would rather dip down in here rather than walk up on the road or the highway. There we go. I know, it's sad the way people just litter. Yep, back in Magsaysay. Feel free to fast forward, folks, if you get bored with this. But because I decided I'm just going to go ahead and kind of let it roll for now. It's right up here. There's, according to all the information that we gathered, it should be right here. And there's a Sorry store over there. We used to get load for the telephones, or the cell phones rather, right there. What's this? Joe's Brew? Haven't been up this way for a while. I know. We don't ever come this direction anymore. We used to every day.
This is the one that I'm telling you, the place.
Okay. Yeah, there it is right there. Well, it looks like they're doing, yeah, I don't know. Okay, so this is it, guys. If you're in Alaminos and you want to visit this place called GALLEY Pizza, this is where you want to come. So down that way is coming from Alaminos City. That's Alaminos City in that direction. And that is Lucap Wharf in that direction. And this here is the GALLEY Pizza. So we will check it out. So yeah, I think I've seen his picture before. Yeah, so this is the GALLEY Pizza. So let's take a look at the menu. What do you think, hon?
We also have classic flavor.
Oh yeah?
Classic flavor.
You should ask Madam what is her name and everything.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I can do that. Your name?
I'm Ann. I'm the owner of the GALLEY Pizza.
Okay. Oh, you're the owner.
Yeah.
I thought he was.
He's my husband.
Oh, Oh, so you guys.
Your video
Oh.
before we come over.
Yeah, the owners. I hear you. I see you do business with the Barrel Pro. I see you do business with Alfred Hidalgo, the Barrel Pro.
The owner of the Barrel Pro. Barrel Pro.
Yeah. So same here.
Barrel Pro products.
Yeah.
The smoke premium.
Tapos yung premium po, ano po?
Usually when I go to a new pizza place, I always just start out with the basics. So like I just prefer. You can do whatever you want, obviously, but I usually just go for simple.
Classic pizza.
That's what I like. So, but if you want, but you can also. So you want to do 2 of them?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is it. Their soft opening today, March 28th, Friday, 2025. So
You want to eat here?
it's up to you, hon. I don't care. We can start out here. And your name, sir?
My name is Darren.
Darren. Well, there you go. Daryl.
Mind if
Daryl.
I take a shot also?
Sure. Go ahead.
Do you mind if I take a shot also?
Absolutely.
Take a photo and
Yeah. All right. Well, while we're waiting for the order, we'll go ahead and take a pause. What you thinking, babe?
That's why I said secret.
Secret.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, there you go. Looking pretty good. All right. Well, let's give it a shot. I won't bore you guys with us stuffing our faces full of pizza. So we'll come back here in a moment and let you know. All right. That's what's left. You got this one, babe?
Yeah, that's mine.
Come on, what are you waiting for? There you go. Good stuff, huh? Yeah, I picked out, man. Holy cow. That's it. That's the rest of it. It was good. It was really good. Perfect.
It's all in our tummy now.
Yep, it's all in our tummies now. We gotta work it off tomorrow, right? Take care, guys. The pizza was wonderful. Your name again?
Yen.
Yen.
Charlene.
Charlene and is it Darren or Daryl?
Daryl.
Daryl. Okay, got it. You guys take care. Wish you the best success.
Thank you so much.
Take care. We'll see you again soon.
Thank you so much,
All right, that's all. Yep. Okay. Thanks, guys. Have a nice day. Okay, well that was great. The pizza was really good. There's their sign, Galley Pizza. Taste a slice of happiness. And as we walk out of here, once again, we'll try to give you an idea of kind of where they're located. So we're gonna catch a trike into town. We gotta go to CSI, BPI, CSI, pick up a few things, and then get back home to our dogs. So, yeah, not bad at all. I'm good with it. So once again, we got Le Cap Wharf going down that way. And up. And then now we're headed back towards the direction of Alaminos City. Oh boy, this is this is one of those low ceiling tricycles. another long line situation at CSI. See, I did it smart this time. We came into CSI and I jumped in line immediately while she went out and did all the shopping. So like I'm standing in line while she's out shopping. So by the time she's done, hopefully I should be up close to the cashier. So we'll see how it works. But this is the first time we've ever done it. We've talked about it like, hey, as soon as we come in, why doesn't one of us jump in line right away? Because the lines are horrendous here and they take forever. So we're trying to shop smart is what we're doing. See, check this shit out, guys. She just got here with the goods and the line is now this short. Pretty good idea, huh? What do you think, babe?
Line up first before.
Yep, get in line first. And then, yeah, because normally we both come in here and we spend, or we go shopping out there together, and by the time we're done, you know, one of us could have been waiting in line for the last 20 minutes, whatever.
Are all in queue already.
Yeah, exactly. So we'll do this from now on. It works better. All right, we'll catch you outside. Is there anything else we need in here?
No.
That's it for now. Just a few things. Good deal. Okay, well that pretty much takes care of CSI. That wasn't so bad. So now we're gonna hop in the trike and go home. So to recap, we did Galley Pizza in Magsaysay.
Good day.
Then a quick stop at CSI. Now we're headed home. So do we keep the camera rolling or do we shut it off? I don't know. I'm just talking. Let's keep it rolling, right? The excitement.
Answered already.
see where they're at.
Here, there.
Let's see where we got 4 dogs here. Oh, here comes number 1. Oh, look at you. And there's number 2. How you girls doing? How you two doing?
Look at that.
What is going on? My babies, huh? They're my monsters. There's my monsters. Yeah.
Where's the kimchi? Where's Chichi?
These are our puppies.
Look at her.
Where are the other 2 at?
What is that? She's talking again.
Yeah, finally made it home. Yeah, we weren't gone too long. The dogs, on the other hand, they think we've been gone a lifetime. Hey, you guys! We only leave for like an hour and we come home and these dogs are freaking going wild. Hey, guys! Hey, no, look at you! Huh? What you doing? Whoa, shit! Chloe, stop! God dang, she almost knocked this camera out of my hand.
And Bibi?
She's a big girl, too. Oh my goodness, she scared me.
Who took my towel?
You guys are crazy, huh? Well, that's it, guys. We went and had some pizza, we went to CSI, and now we're home. The dogs are happy. They're probably hungry too, right? Aren't you? Aren't you? Oh, my baby. Oh, my babies. Oh, Chloe, she's the crazy one. And Jam. Oh, look at you guys.
Sitting there on her seat already.
Well, it was real. It was fun. And yes, indeed, it was real fun. And we appreciate you watching. Until next time, say goodbye. Say goodbye, Chloe. Say goodbye. Okay, guys. Beautiful babies, yes. Oh, Chewy doesn't want me to.
Hey, Daddy.
Okay. Yeah, baby girls, right? So happy. So happy, aren't you? So happy, aren't you? Good girl.
What did you do?
Okay, guys. Until next time. Take care. Stay cool. And,
What is that?
you guys. And have a great day. Later, guys. Bye-bye. Bye, hon. Bye.